Welcome to Simple Oracle DB. In this video, we're going to set a default date on a table when we create the table. So I'm going to start with create table. We're going to call this pet table. We're going to start with pet name. And now we're going to start with our dates. So we'll do a creation date. That'll be a date field. Default, the system date, which is the current date of your server. Let me change the spelling of that. Next, we'll do the char date, which this is going to be a varchar date. Just going through many examples here. We're going to default that to char. There we go. We're just going to do the month, day, year, make that a string. And in the last column, we're going to demonstrate here is next day date. And we can default this as sysdate +1. So we can do, just in this example, you know, with the +1, you can do a day back, you'd be doing -1. If you want to do 10 days forward, you can do +10. It just kind of works in that way. So we'll go ahead and create it. Our table called pet table. Table's created. Next, we'll do an insert. And we're just going to do pet name because everything else will default in. So I'm just going to call this fish. Do that. Insert one record, and now we'll look at it. See how this looks. And there it is. We got our pet name fish, our creation date, which is the current date and time. We cut it down to a string just for the date. And then we just did 1 day forward, just to show you all the examples we can do with this. So that concludes this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it below the video. Until next time.